go. All right, so Ankle Grinder taking on Binary. So Binary's got some steel forks on the front, but Ankle Grinder has been known to be very, very good at biting different surfaces. All right, Ankle Grinder doing a good job kicking these robots around. There's a good punt at the wall. Haven't quite been able to get any of them stuck or damaged enough to impair drive. Ideally, Ankle Grinder can pick up a knockout victory for the extra points. Binary's best chance is pushing them into the pit. We are halfway through this match. Ankle Grinder just chasing them down. The Binary cluster kind of attacking one at a time. It's just not working. Time winding. Uh-oh, look at the pit. Binary gets a good shove on the back of Ankle Grinder, not able to seal the deal. 15 seconds remain in the match. And that's time. Good driving. We're going to see what our judges think of that.